More active stocks, we have BYND, NVDA, HIHO, and Plug Power. BYND down 5.61%, 67 million shares across the tape, way below its 50-day average of 254 million shares. This is not a low float stock. Volatility quite high. It's expected to increase in the coming days. Um, it's high beta stock, quite a high beta stock. It could even be higher. I've seen even higher beta values for attached to certain stocks. Okay, so it's at a slight premium to its volume weighted average price of 0.993. It can be fascinating to see what goes on its options grid. So let's look at the January 16 series. Yeah, usually, so it's been off the radar for some time now. Yeah, surely, as things stand right now, market makers, or rather, yeah, market makers, they've been active. They have been going by what we have here. They will not be ignoring the stock. Yeah, they will not be overlooking it. Sure, they will not be overlooking it. Underlying trend severely bearish. Lower prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the beginning of February. Okay. Projections are saying nothing. We'll give some upper projections. You have $8, 10.75, 12.44. Never say never. It had a squeeze here as of October. It went from 0.5243 and it pumped it all the way toward 3.3, all the way towards 3.6. That's 7x, a 7x pump. Yeah. And how many days was that? How many days was that? Let's see. It was Thursday. So Thursday to Tuesday. You do the maths. It's yeah, does it 3 days of pumps. Okay, let's see whether there's any news for BYND. Okay, shares fell 9% to 98 cents at as on processed foods got its warrant strike price by 40% to $1.95, raising concerns over potential dilution. Shares are getting obliterated today. Okay, amends entire creditor agreement for second lien exchanges as warrant strike price lowered for senior lender. Okay, we'll see how all of this will pan out. Okay. NVIDIA up 2.63%. Okay, quite a high beta stock, you can see. It's a value higher than two we saw on BYND. Okay, we have a position in NVIDIA. NVIDIA, let's see what we have. Extrapolation saying that some contraction may play out going all the way. It's, well, more of a distributive contraction is what is expected to play out up till the 8th of January. And then after that, we may have a consolidation. It's not really going to deviate that much from its 40-day moving average based on what this extrapolation is saying. Um, Projections are saying 145.20, 150, 1.45, 160, 1.55, 186.64, 193.17, 197.20. Yeah, okay. So these extrapolations, they're not guaranteed at all. What we should be asking, what is so bad that Nvidia is not going to find any bounce all the way towards early February. What is so bad about what is coming up? Yeah, okay. Let's see what we have in terms of news. Nvidia shares rose 1.5% as it plans to ship H200 AI processors to China by mid February of next year. Has to be that, pending approval. Initial shipments will include 5,000 to 10,000 modules. In 2025, NVIDIA is a top choice for retail investors, making up 20 to 25 of making up 20 to 25% of market activity. Its strong position in AI has drawn a significant interest from individual traders. NVIDIA executives' recent stock sales have sparked concerns about insider confidence. Despite this, analysts still see NVIDIA as a strong investment due to high demand for AI and data center chips. Okay, we could quickly add a market grid to the stock to see what we have. It's going to give us a grid, a range of prices. It has a potential to trade within. Okay, I think it's trading outside of that grid post. So it's 180, 188.65. Let's see what we have. Yeah, it's just trading right outside of the grid. So the odds of it pulling back may be there, but it may well go ahead and advance to fresh highs. Okay, we have a grid here. I think we have 192, one between 192 and 186, and it's pointing down. So 188. So it may well test 187.69. That probability is there. So yeah, at the same time, it's also indicating that buyers are getting ready to add more to their positions. Highway Holdings (HIHO) gained 50.6%. Okay, this is its 4-hour chart. Distributive contraction is what is expected, going all the way towards the 6th of January. Its 40 period moving average is also rising to catch any to curtail the impending distributive contraction. And yeah, the grid says it has a range, has a potential to trade between 1.98 and 0.7804. Quite a wide range. Yeah. Okay, the company plans to acquire 51% of Regent Feinbao Adaman. Okay, it's a Hong Kong company, it seems. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, here we have extrapolation is saying that it might remain strong up till Friday the 26th. Then after that, it might go into a consolidation. Yeah, projections are saying 0.77, 0.5675, 0.4425, but it has had as high as 1.74, sorry, it has upper projections of 1.74 to $2, 2.20. Yeah. Plug power, let's see what we have. Lost 2.84%. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that between now and the 20th of January, it might be a consolidation. Then after that, the downtrend may resume. Okay, and the 40-day moving average is also falling to prevent any bounce that might happen. Projections are currently saying 2.39, 3.22, 3.8, and 4.16. Yeah, on this on this daily chart. On the line trend, strongly bullish. Market read. Let's see what we have. what the values are saying, 2.33, between 2.33 and 1.89. Okay, so it's closed at currently at 2.05. So it is in the support zones. So gradually opening the opportunity to load up more. Yeah, let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have. Here we have yeah, lower prices are expected to keep printing all the way towards the 30th of December. Then from then it may pick up a bounce, so we'll see how all of these go. Market grid is 212, between 212 and 199. So here it is also, it's still in the resistance zone. Okay, no, it's now in the support zone. It's in between. I'm pointing down, so lower prices may still print. Okay, for power, let's see what the news is. No fresh news. Yeah. Okay. See what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.